Hi, I'm Adam from Adam's Bake Shop, and today I'm going to make an Elvis Presley sandwich using the Wonder White vitamin and mineral toast. The first step to making the sandwich is to toast the bread up. We're taking 2 slices of the toast cut Wonder White bread. Toasting this helps avoid the absorption of oil when we start frying this in the pan. While we're waiting for our bread to toast, we'll slice a banana. Our toast is browned off nicely now. We're going to put our peanut butter on firstly. I use crunchy just to add some texture. This is a nice gluttonous sandwich, so you want it to be coated well in peanut butter. Now we'll start laying a generous layer of bananas. It's a nice thick cut sandwich, that way your customer gets value for money. Time to take this to the stove. The special thing about this sandwich is that it's fried in butter, so we want to get the butter into the pan, make it nice and hot, and that will give us a beautiful crust. You want to cook this on a medium heat because we don't want the bread to burn too quickly. Now we're going to start basting the top bread. Nice and crispy. Just look at the crust on there. Nice and golden brown. A thick sandwich, ready to serve. So there you have it, that's my Elvis Presley sandwich. This is a perfect snack for bars because we've got all the ingredients in our kitchens and it's this beautiful decadent sandwich.